Shri Hanuman Chalisa is the most famous Granth in all of Hinduism. Pura Satya Sanatan Vedic Dharma mein, Shri Hanuman Chalisa is the most famous and one of the most powerful Granth. Everybody knows Hanuman Chalisa. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudar. Or this Hanuman Chalisa was designed with such ज्ञान and perfection कि हनुमान चालीसा में 108 बार हनुमान जी का नाम आते हैं. The name of Hanuman ji comes 108 times. It comes 4 times very clearly, लेकिन बदल के 108 बार आते हैं. The name of Bhagavan Shri Ram comes in this Chalisa 10 times. प्रश्न उठता है जब हनुमान जी के लिए लिखा है तो गोस्वामी जी ने प्रभु श्री राम का नाम क्यों डाले हैं? When Goswami ji was writing this Hanuman Chalisa, so he knew कि what makes Hanuman ji happy. And what makes Hanuman ji happy? Seva, service to Bhagavan Shri Ram. यश नहीं, यश से कई गुण ऊपर सेवा है. Hanuman ji is not really concerned with fame. That is why when you sing this Hanuman Chalisa, don't try to rush and try to keep count. मुझे 108 बार जप करना है. In singing one Hanuman Chalisa, it is like doing one mala of jap to Hanuman ji. So it is better to take your time and sing with love and affection one time properly, rather than rushing the entire day. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapir Loko Jagar. In trying to say it so quickly, you forget what you were saying. Every Hanuman Chalisa is like a mala to Pawan Putra, to Bhagavan Shri Ram. इसलिए जब भी आप गाते हो, take your time and sing. Understand that this makes Hanuman ji very happy. Whenever you are serving someone, you have to know what makes them happy. इनके अनुकूल बने रहे. So what makes Hanuman ji happy? Hanuman ji is the servant of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Ram Dutam Sharanam Prapadye. And Hanuman ji serves Bhagavan Shri Ram because Valmiki ji says, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. Bhagavan Shri Ram is the Swarup of Satya Sanatan Dharma. Everything that Bhagavan Shri Ram stands for, it is the mool essence of Satya Sanatan Dharma. And that is why Hanuman ji loves him. Hanuman ji loves Brahmachari Avastha. He stays in this Avastha. Hanuman ji loves Gyan. Hanuman ji loves Harinam Sankirtan, and that is why he loves Bhagavan Shri Ram. Don't feel like you have to perform grand celebrations and bring all kinds of fancy music. Sometimes in my country people like to use chutney music and soca music to make Hanuman ji happy. Ye sab Hanuman ji ko pasand nahi hai. He doesn't like these things. He likes the name of Bhagavan Shri Ram, and Hanuman ji is the avatar of Satogun. Hanuman ji likes when you have pavitrata, when you have samman, when you are doing your puja in a cleanly state, when your dharamshala, when your mandir, when your home is clean, and you sit and you chant his Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman ji loves that tapasya. The same place where you're having your parties, do you see anybody going to a nightclub and sing Hanuman Chalisa? वहाँ उचित स्थान नहीं है ये सब करने के लिए. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. In this modern day of Kali Yuga, you don't have real bhoot, pret, pisach. The bhoot, pret and pisach is kam, krodh, lobh, moh, ahamkar. These are the things that stay far from Hanuman ji. Hanuman ji is free from all contamination. And when we sit and sing his Hanuman Chalisa, we also aspire that we will be just like him. We will be pure and sing the name of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Recently in my country, there was a great big concert arranged for Hanuman ji. But the place where they were doing this concert, the day before they will have alcohol and the day after there will be alcohol as well. और ऐसे अपवित्र भूमि में खड़े होके जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर कहते हैं. Do you think Hanuman ji is happy with that kind of tapasya? कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा. हनुमान जी ने वचन दिया कि भगवान, I will stay in all 4 yuga. Even now in Kali Yuga, Hanuman ji is present लेकिन कभी कभी हनुमान जी को भी शर्म आती होगी. Maybe Hanuman ji also feels embarrassed when he sees what his devotees are doing for him in this age of Kali Yuga. The same place where they were doing that concert, the statement is made, nothing is wrong. Because when you do your puja in your home, the same home, if you are not vegetarian, many people are not vegetarian, you are eating all kinds of things and you are drinking all kinds of things. Usi ghar mein aapne bhi mandir rakhe hain, so then everything is okay. This was a very insulting statement. This is a very insulting statement to all Hindus. लोग कितने श्रद्धा से, कितने विश्वास से, when you do your puja at home, you make sure that place is clean. You make sure, even if you are not vegetarian, that day your home is clean, with great care and great love. And now somebody is telling you that nothing matters. You can do anything you want in any place. सब हनुमान जी के लिए है. भाइयों, बंधुओं, बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. Hanuman ji does not care for this grand gesture. When he went to Lanka and tried to search for Mata Sita, so Tulsidas ji says, Mandir mandir pratikar shodha. Lanka jaake har mandir mein khoje hain. He goes to every mandir looking for Sita Maiya. Hanuman ji has never seen Mata Sita before. Dekhe jahta agnit jora. In Lanka, everybody parties at night and goes to sleep very early. So Hanuman ji is going into their homes और बहुत ध्यान से सबका चेहरा देख रहा है. He is looking everybody in the face and looking to see Sita ji कहाँ है, जानकी जी कहाँ है. गई हूँ दशानन मंदिर माही. Then Hanuman ji goes into the home of Ravan, the most beautiful palace in Lanka. अति विचित्र कही जात सोनाही. When Hanuman ji went into the palace of Ravan, so there he saw Mandodari. अब देखिए, Mandodari सुंदर नहीं, अति सुंदर है. The Patarani of Ravan is one of the most beautiful queens in this entire universe. When Hanuman ji saw her, he thought to himself, कहीं ये तो नहीं है सीता जी. Maybe this is Sita. But then, when Mandodari turned and looked at Hanumanji, and he saw that she was dressed in lots of jewelry, lots of makeup, very, very beautifully decorated, तो Hanumanji समझ गए, ये जो श्रृंगार है, ये रावण को लुभाने वाले श्रृंगार है. This श्रृंगार is being worn by this Devi to make Ravan happy. इसका मतलब ये सीता जी नहीं है, ये शायद उनकी पटरानी होगी. अब देखिए, Mandodari is beautiful, but when you speak about the beauty of Ma Sita, her beauty is something else. When Bhagavan Sri Ram was in the Swayamvar of Ma Sita and he picked up this dhanush of Bhagavan Shiv, तो उसी समय माँ ने अपने स्मितास बल को, she gave one small smile to Bhagavan Sri Ram, त्रैलोक्य के स्वामी रघुनंदन, जिन्होंने हजारों स्वामियों की चित्त चुरा लिए, the one who has stolen the hearts of thousands and thousands of sant, Swami, Mahavairagi, Tapasvi. One smile of Mata Sita, Bhagavan Sri Ram, unka man lattu ho gaya. In his mind, he became in love with Mata Sita. His hand slipped, and instead of stringing the dhanush of Bhagavan Shiv, उन्होंने धनुष को तोड़ दिया. बोलो जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम. Bhagavan Shiv को भी आश्चर्य लगा. Even Bhagavan Shiv was surprised, just because of one smile of Janaki ji. Such is the beauty of Mata Sita. And this is the difference between Bhagavan Sri Ram or Ravan. Bhagavan Sri Ram has one face, एक मुंह है, लेकिन 10 गुण उनको है. According to Manusmriti, there are 10 lakshan of dharma. Dhriti, Kshama, Damasteyam. All 10 of them are found in Bhagavan Sri Ram. Ravan के पास 10 मुख है, लेकिन एक भी गुण नहीं. He has 10 heads, but no even one gun. That is why Bhagavan Sri Ram darshan karne yogya hai, और रावण केवल और केवल प्रदर्शन में फंसे. Bhagavan Sri Ram, we take his darshan, or Ravan, he is only concerned with pradarshan. Pradarshan means to show off. When you want to show off, you do not sing for Bhagavan. You sing for yourself. You sing for your audience. You have lots of big pandits and big acharya in this age of Kali Yuga. बहुत सारे नकली गुरुजी घूम रहे हैं भाई. How can you know कि गुरुजी असली है या नकली है? If the Guruji is fake, then he says one thing: मेरी पूजा करो. I want you to worship me. Lots of Gurujis इसलिए चेला बनाते हैं ताकि गुरु पूर्णिमा पे बढ़िया दक्षिणा मिल जाए. The more shishyas you have, the more chelas you have, the more dakshina you get on Guru Purnima. When your Guruji says, मेरी पूजा मत करो, राघव की पूजा करो, do the puja of Bhagavan Shri Ram, तो समझ लीजिए कि ये असली गुरु है, ये सदगुरु है. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार. ऐसे गुरुजी की कृपा से only that kind of guru can bless you in getting closer to Bhagavan Shri Ram. पंडित मनदीप जी ने मुझे बहुत बढ़िया बात बताए हैं. मनदीप जी क्या बात बताएं? आजकल देश में गधा और घोड़ा साथ दौड़ते हैं. Horses and donkeys are running in the same country and nobody knows the difference. अब पंडित जी से पूछिए क्या अर्थ है, लेकिन इतना बताता हूँ कि बहुत सारे नकली पंडित हैं, बहुत सारे नकली आचार्य हैं. Always keep your faith in the Charan Kamal of Bhagavan Shri Ram, and those who worship Bhagavan Shri Ram, you will know them because they will be like Hanumanji. So Hanumanji seeing this beautiful city of Lanka, Swarna Nagari hai bhai. This city was designed by Bhagavan Shiva as a gift for Mata Parvati. तो कल्पना करो कितने सुंदर होगा. तो हनुमान जी sees this beautiful golden city, but इतने राक्षस रहते हैं बीच में. तो हनुमान जी says, ये असली सोना नहीं होगा. This is not real gold. इस सिटी की परीक्षा लेता हूँ. I'm going to test Lanka. How do you test gold to see if it is real or not? You burn it. आग में सोना को जला दो. If you burn gold and it is real gold, it becomes more pure. And if it is not real gold, तो फिर भस्म हो जाएगा. तो हनुमान जी ने वही किया. He burned this entire city of Lanka, and this entire city of Lanka was reduced to ashes. Only the home of Vibhishan was spared. बाद में जब प्रभु श्री राम ने पूछा, हनुमान तुमने लंका को क्यों जलाया? On Hanuman Jayanti, I told you, जाम्बवंत जी ने कहा हनुमान जी को, he gave a very clear instruction: go and find Mata Sita और वापस आओ. Don't fight anyone. Still Hanumanji goes. He kills the son of Ravan, Akshay Kumar. He kills so many Rakshas. He burns the entire city down. Bhagavan Shri Ram ने पूछा, हनुमान तुमने ये काम क्यों किए हो? तो हनुमान जी said, प्रभु मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. When I was going to Lanka, because of your ring, आपकी अंगूठी, the power of your ring allowed me to cross this ocean. And when I gave this ring to Mata Janaki, she gave me her chudamani. She gave me one of her decorations, one of her jewelry. उसी चूड़ामणि से वो सारे राक्षस मर गए और लंका भी जल गए. बोलो जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम. हनुमान जी ने कहा, प्रभु जो भी हुआ मैंने नहीं किया, प्रभु सब आपके आदेश है. इसलिए रघुपति प्रिय भक्तम वात जातम नमामि. मैं आपका दास हूं नाथ. I don't have the power to do anything. All of the power resides in you. When Hanumanji was going to Lanka to find Mata Sita, do you think Vibhishan is the one who told them where Mata is residing? Hanumanji is attracted to the power of Jagat Janani Janaki Maiya. Kyun? Hanumanji knows that Bhagavan Shri Ram is the master of this world. Prabhu Charitra Sunive ko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. When he met Bhagavan Shri Ram and he met Lakshman Bhaiya, he immediately installed them in his heart. And now Bhagavan is telling him about Janaki ji. So Hanuman ji wants to see, ये कौन देवी है? ये कौन सिद्ध शक्तिशाली देवी who can sit on the left side of my Swami, जो पूरा त्रैलोक्य के स्वामी है, जो जगत पिता है, उनकी अर्धांगिनी कौन हो सकती है भाई? हनुमान जी एक बार देखना चाहते हैं. That is why he goes to meet Mata Sita. अच्छा एक बात और सुनो. चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा. Hanuman ji is present in every yuga. It means he was present in Dwapar Yuga also. Still, when Bhagavan Krishna was performing his Leela, हनुमान जी साथ में नहीं थे, because Bhagavan Krishna ये प्रेम अवतार है. He came to show the world how to love Bhagavan, how to love each other. Bhagavan Shri Ram came to show कि धर्म क्या है, धर्म में क्या क्या होता है, क्या करना चाहिए, what is dharma. But Hanuman ji, he is not a part of the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, except when Bhagavan Shri Krishna will orchestrate this great Mahayuddha. He went to Hanuman ji and he says, Pavan Putra, तुम भी आओ हमारे साथ लड़ो. तो हनुमान जी ने कहा, प्रभु, the only time for war was त्रेता युग. अब वो समय बीत गया, मैं द्वापर युग में युद्ध नहीं करूंगा. तो भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा कि पवन पुत्र, युद्ध करने के लिए मत आओ, मैं तुम्हें कथा सुनाऊंगा. आई विल टेल यू कथा. यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनम. So Bhagavan Krishna, he calls Pavanaputra Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yutsava in the middle of this battlefield, and he places him on the chariot of Arjun and he starts to tell him Bhagavan Ram Katha, Thakurji ki Leela. He starts to tell him Vedanta. This is the power of the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Ram. That is why when Tulsidas ji wrote this Hanuman Chalisa, Varuno Raghuvar Vimala Jasu. अब देखिए, he is about to praise Hanuman ji. तो Varuno Raghuvar means I offer praise to Raghuvar. Raghuvar कौन है? भगवान श्री राम. अब आप कल्पना करिए, if I tell you we're going to do 7 days Bhagavad and we make all preparations, we do the puja, we do the sankalpa, श्रीमद् भागवत पुराण भी सामने रखे हैं, और फिर व्यास जी कहते हैं बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की, और फिर व्यास जी गाने लगे वर्णा नाम अर्थ संगा नाम, तो कैसा लगेगा? पूरी तैयारी भागवत जी के लिए है और आप रामायण गा रहे हो. तो तुलसीदास जी, he should be singing the praise of Hanuman ji. वरुणो हनुमत. अगर रघुवर के स्थान हनुमत डालोगे तो चलेगा चंद के हिसाब से. But still Tulsidas ji praises Bhagavan Shri Ram first, because he knows Mahavir Vinavo Hanumana. Bhagavan Shri Ram, he is the one who praises Hanumanji from his own lips. Ram jasu yas aap bakhana. Bhagavan Shri Ram praises Hanumanji, and if you praise Hanumanji तो वो नहीं आएंगे, बहुत शर्माते हैं. But if you praise Bhagavan Shri Ram, तो भक्त दौड़ के आएंगे. Hanumanji will run and come and listen to your prayers. And then Tulsidas ji, he starts to sing the prayers of Pavanaputra. This Hanuman Chalisa is very sacred, it is very pure, it is very clean, and it is very powerful. अगर हनुमान चालीसा को आप सम्मान करोगे, if you respect Hanuman Chalisa and chant it as it is meant to be chanted, in pure and clean places, with Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwas. So there are 4 times the name of Hanumanji clearly comes in Hanuman Chalisa, Jo Dayak Palachar. And he, in these 4 lines, he gives you 4 fruits. Sankat te Hanuman churave. सबसे पहले धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष, सबसे पहले धर्म चाहिए. संकट ते हनुमान चुरावे. ये श्लोक धर्मदायिनी है. हनुमान जी removes our संकट. जो यह परे हनुमान चालीसा. This line gives you अर्थ. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. अगर धर्म चाहिए तो संकट ते हनुमान चुरावे गाओ. अगर अर्थ चाहिए, if you wish for wealth, if you wish for धन, तो जो यह परे हनुमान चालीसा. And if you wish for काम, जय 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 हनुमान साई. If you wish for काम रूप फल, to sing this line. और अंत में तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं, जिनको मोक्ष चाहिए, those who wish to obtain मोक्ष, जय 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 हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर. कि हे पवन पुत्र, ज्ञान के माध्यम से मोक्ष दिला दीजिए. Using the power of Gyan, bless us with moksha. Hanuman Chalisa is very, very unique. In all of our Shastras and all of our Dharma Shastra, all of our Bhajan, Kirtan, Leela, Katha, Falashruti. Falashruti means if you listen to this Katha, aapko ye phal milega. If you chant this Katha, you will get this phal. Falashruti is always placed at the end, after the prayer, after the Katha. Lekin Hanuman Chalisa mein, बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. फलश्रुति पहले है. Tulsidas ji places the Falashruti at the beginning of Hanuman Chalisa. You have not even begun to sing Hanuman Chalisa. Already Tulsidas ji is saying, Bal Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi. Hey Hanuman, हमें बल दीजिए, हमें बुद्धि दीजिए, हमें विद्या दीजिए. प्रार्थना कहने से पहले आप फल मांग रहे हो, इसका अर्थ क्या है? When you sing the katha of Bhagavan Shri Ram, तो कथा कहने के बाद आपको फल मिलेगा. But when you sing the katha of the bhakt of Bhagavan Shri Ram, तो कहने से पहले, गाने से पहले, उच्चारण करने से पहले आपको फल मिलता है. बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमंत लाल की जय. तो वो चार फल है. And Tulsidas ji says, there is another char fal that you also should ask Hanuman ji to bless you with. जो सुनत गावत कहत समुझत परम पद नर पावही. जो सुनत गावत कहत समुझत परम पद नर पावही. रघुबीर पद पापोज मधुकर दास तुलसीदास दास तुलसी गावही. ये भी चार फल है. तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं जो सुनत गावत, जो भगवान श्री राम की कथा जो सुनते हैं, who listens to his katha, सुनत गावत. केवल सुनना नहीं, गाना भी है. You have to listen and you have to sing. कहत समुझत, कथा कहो, you have to say his katha. समुझत, कथा समझो, you have to understand his katha. परम पद नर पावही. हम सबको वही परम पद चाहिए. We all wish to reach Saket Dham, Vaikuntha Dham. We wish to reach the divine feet of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Vahi param pad. We ask Hanuman ji to bless us. Raghubir pad pathoj madhukar das tulsi गावही. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, मैं नहीं गा रहा हूं, तुलसीदास जी कह रहे हैं, तुलसीदास जी गा रहे हैं. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव फेथ इन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, युधिष्ठिर के ऊपर विश्वास मत रखो, तुलसीदास जी के ऊपर विश्वास रखो, हनुमान जी के ऊपर विश्वास रखो, भगवान श्री रामचंद्र के ऊपर विश्वास रखो. बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की, बोलो अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय. बोलो अयोध्या धाम